Good morning. We will pay attention to the cash budget today and first of all to the debtors collection schedule. They give us the total sales and indicate that 60% of the total sales are for cash. So we will use the 105,000 multiplied by 60% will give me 42,000. In June, the 123,000 multiplied by 40% will give me 49,200, and in July 108,000 times 40% will give me 43,200. August 84,000 times 40% will give me 33,600. The money is collected as follows: 20% in the month of sale. So it means in the same month that you sell the goods, you will collect 20%. In the month following the sale, you will collect 70%. And in the month following that, you will receive 8%. That means the things that were sold in May we will receive 20%. In June, we will receive 70%, and in July, we will receive 8%. So of the sales in May, we will not receive anything in August. If we go to June, the sales in June, we will receive 20%. In July, we will receive 70%. And in August, we will receive 8%. So that means in July, I will take the figure and I will multiply it with 8% to indicate how much I will get in August. The sales in July we will receive 20%. In August, we will receive 70%. So the July sales, I will multiply with 70% to calculate the amount received. In August, we will receive 20% of the sales in August. So I will multiply it with 20% to see how much I will receive in August. And then I just add the amounts together to determine what is the total amount received from debtors in August. Stock levels and payments to creditors. The business uses a markup of 50% on cost. Therefore, the cost price equals 100% and the sales price equals 150%. So if we want to calculate the cost price, it will be 100 divided by 150 times the amount. The business maintains a fixed base stock by replacing stock on a monthly basis. So everything that's sold in a month will be replaced and purchased in that same month. 75% of the total purchases are on credit and 25% is for cash. Creditors are paid in the month following the month of purchases to take advantage of a 5% discount. If we look at number 1, we want to see what is the cash purchases of stock. Therefore, we will look at the credit total sales in August, that's 84,000, times the 100 over 150 to determine what is the cost price, and only 25% is for cash because 75% is on credit. So I multiply with 25% and that will tell me the cash sales in August. In July, we have to determine what is the payments to creditors. The creditors are paid a month following the purchases, so it means that we have to go to the total sales in June, that is 123,000, and determine what is the amount that we will buy in June. The 123,000 times 100 over 150 will give us 82,000 Rand. 75% of this is on credit, so it means I multiply it with 75%, and then in the month that we pay, we take advantage of 5% discount, so it means we will only pay 95% of the amount to indicate the total amount that will be paid in July. In number 3, we have to calculate the salary for the 5 workers. Salaries, they say the workers will receive an increase of 3% in August. The bookkeeper will also receive an increase in August. So if I look at the salary of the 5 workers, it was 32,000, and the next month they will get an increase of 3%, so it means they will pay out 103%, or you can calculate 3% of 32,000 and add it to get 32,960. In number 4, we have to calculate the insurance for July. The insurance premium is paid at the end of each month. The monthly premium will increase by 10% on the 1st of August. They give us the insurance as 2905 in August. That is after the 10% increase. So if we want to know what was the insurance, the premium for the previous month, we will multiply it by 100, the percentage that we want to find out, divided by the 110, the percentage that we know. In number 5, we have to determine what is the balance at the end of the previous month, and that will be the balance at the beginning of the current month. So in the previous month, the balance was 10,200, and that was a negative balance, so it means it's a bank overdraft. Then the difference between your receipts and payments gave you a deficit of 22,600, indicating that more money was paid out of the bank account than you deposited into the bank account. So that means the bank overdraft increased from 10,200 with another 22,600, giving us a bank overdraft of 32,800.